Hi, my name is Keely Morris. Today I'm here with expertvillage.com and we are in my kitchen shooting live. So I just want to thank you guys for logging on and checking out my secrets, my recipes. These are some of the foods that inspire me the most. Just to give you a little background on myself, just moved here from the East Coast. Currently, I'm in sunny, bright California right now, but I moved from the East Coast, had a lot of influences from different restaurants that I've worked in, such as the Carlisle Grand Cafe, all my friends over there in Shirlington, as well as Extra Virgin, another great restaurant that I worked at. So in my years of working as a waiter and throughout the course of time, I developed a lot of recipes, a lot of secrets, and I want to bring it right to you to let you guys know that it's not that hard. You can make this stuff right in your house. So today, we're going to be doing something that's one of my favorites. It's a classic ceviche. Today, we're going to use shrimp. So ceviche usually calls for scallops. You can use calamari, squid, clams, whatever your choice of preference is. I like to go with something that's very universal for everyone. So I'm going to do a shrimp ceviche. Now, if you have any friends over who are having like shellfish allergies or anything like that, you can always go with scallops, just even some type of flat fish as well. So ceviche, that's the wonderful thing about it. You can create it and make it into your own type of party. So I'm going to be going with that today.